This is Shelley Kraft. We're coming to you live on SNN Live. We're at the PortTech Expo 2012 in the Port of Los Angeles, right here in San Pedro. I'm here with John Fischer of Try Safety First, a private company. John, welcome to SNN Live.
Thanks, Shelley. I appreciate the opportunity to be on your show.
It's good to have you, but I'm interested in hearing about Try Safety First. Tell me about the company.
Well, Shelley, Try Safety First was originated approximately 4 years ago. And what we have done is we have developed a set of software protocols for cell phones. And what these software protocols do is create a safety environment for the cell phone. And what it will do is automate individual state laws. So problems such as texting behind the wheel, contraband phones in prisons, cell phone distractions and disruptions in the classroom, the courtroom, the cockpit, these will all be problems of the past.
What about when I leave my phone on a table and I walk away? Will you be able to have that cell phone get up from the table and follow me and touch me and say, you forgot me? Well, will that happen soon?
I'll ask my engineers if we can incorporate that, but unfortunately at this point in time it won't.
Okay, all kidding aside, what you're talking about is a huge industry.
It is.
How come it's never been done before?
Well, there's been several reasons. In fact, we have tried some of these things and failed ourselves. What we initially, when we got into this, we were looking to solve a problem for distracted driving only. And what we did at that time was we invented a miniature jammer, and we talked with the FCC and different other organizations and found that that wasn't going to work. So we went back to the drawing board, and then we went into application development. And we stumbled there also because there are over 650 different makes and models of cell phones, and because of that, it makes it very difficult to develop an application that will work across the board. So our engineers went back to the drawing board again, and what we said was, we need to do something where we can create a standard in the industry. And along the way, when we were developing this, we found that distracted driving wasn't the only problem within the cellular environment. In fact, contraband phones in prisons is a major problem. Cell phone distractions and disruptions in the classroom has given teachers fits. Other problems are actually in the courtrooms where the judges are having a large amount of mistrials because of the cell phone. So our technology is software, hardware technology that will be environment specific and can actually control the cell phone within a very defined parameter. And in essence, what it can do is 911 is always available, but it knows the difference between a driver and a passenger so that you can isolate the driver, eliminate the texting and email features while allowing a hands-free Bluetooth to be used.
How does that happen?
The technology is the software goes into the phone, then you have a small hardware sensor that gets placed into the vehicle, and it knows exactly where the location of the phone is.
Ah, so that's an aftermarket product, right?
It will actually, what we expect it to be is a migrationary period, but because we expect it to go into the firmware of all phones at the manufacturing level, and then it will also be integrated into the automobile manufacturing process.
Wow, so this is a security company.
Yes, it is.
At the end of the day, right?
That's correct.
So what's your background?
My background is financial. I'm a CPA, but I've got involved with Hap Wynn, who is a very, very technical engineer, and I've been involved with Hap for over 20 years on many different projects. And so he's kind of given me an engineering background.
Well, sooner or later, the company would need to have a CPA anyway.
That's
so
correct.
It's good to have you at the beginning.
Thank you.
What's your website?
It's www.trysafetyfirst.com.
How do you spell try?
Try, T-R-Y, safety as it sounds, first spelled out, F-I-R-S-T.com.
Ladies and gentlemen, go check it out. This is John Fischer from Try Safety First, a private company. We are at the PortTech Expo 2012 in Los Angeles. Thanks for coming on to SNN Live.
I appreciate it.
Good having you.